Hello, my name is Brittany, also known as SoCal Wood Gal. This is a beginner's woodworking class. Today we're going to go over the basics: space requirements, starter tools, safety, plans and modifications, and the most exciting part, making your first cut. By the end of today's lesson, you'll know exactly what it takes to set up your very own wood shop. My first experience with wood was in 8th grade woodshop. Do they even offer that in schools anymore? I loved this class. And as we all know, there is nothing cooler than a shrimpy 8th grade girl who lingers around power tools and does extra credit projects. I was voted most musical in high school. Certifiably, not cool. What was cool was drafting a hope chest and building it all by myself. I still have her to this day, and I gotta say, she's beautiful. I took a long break from my love of wood due to being exceptionally poor. And my long-awaited reunion with sawdust occurred when we bought this house in Southern California that had a detached garage. That's what we're standing in right now. My husband made a deal with me. Keep the area clear so that we can park 2 cars, but you can fill the edges with whatever power tool that you can fit. Big mistake, husband. I took it and I ran with it. I began acquiring power tools from whatever method that I could devise. This meant Craigslist, garage sales, Harbor Freight, stealing things. I'm just kidding, I didn't steal anything. Once the shop was fitted with all of the basics, I made my very first project. It's a Pottery Barn style coffee table that people still remark on to this day when they come to our house. From there, I was unstoppable. Pub table and stools, mantle, laptop table, outdoor shed, and the biggest project of all new kitchen cabinets. I was inspired by Anna White. She's a woodworker and home builder in Alaska. I still use her plans to this day, but I modify everything for my specific space, and I also design my own plans. Secret! When I began, I was scared of using an electric drill. I kid you not. I preferred to get carpal tunnel in my hand from using a manual screwdriver because I was too scared of how fast the electric drill moved. Preposterous! Now, I'm a power tool queen. Listen, you need no prior experience. I fully believe that what is needed most in the woodshop is just a willingness to problem solve. This class and the classes to come are for anyone who is interested in building and creating things out of wood. You can do this as a weekend warrior or a sporadic projector. Yeah. Getting comfortable around wood and power tools makes a big difference in your approach to problems. And I'm not just talking about in the wood shop. If you tackle an Adirondack chair, I guarantee you're going to have the confidence to take on drywall repair, electric outlet replacement, even basic plumbing fixes. Oh yeah, I do all of those. Once you have these basics, you're going to be well on your way to crafting almost anything. Furniture, gifts, toys, decorations, the possibilities are limitless. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. I don't normally look like this. I just really want to impress you. When you're in the wood shop, you're going to get covered in sawdust. So girls, put your hair in a bun, put on some workout clothes, and have some fun. Now that I'm in here, I really want to make a project. It's just begging me.